those of you who felt it was easy to get in and out of those combinations, you can try it out at home and see how difficult it is. Kudos to them. We continue with a Kavutvam, which is a composition that uses both what we call sollukattu, which is rhythmic syllables, and words to praise a deity. It has an inbuilt layam, which is ideal for children to understand how words and rhythm create a soundscape for dance. This is in Ragam Nate, Talamadi. The dancers are Vibha, Samhita, Swati, Sushila, Sanskriti, Harika, Srinidhi, Nakshatra, Sadhana, Ananya, Vishwashri, Sanvika, Ishalini, Veena, Yarini, Hansika, and Shaktikriya.
Kitakina tonga takutam tonga tangoku 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 dhita Kitakina tonga takutam tonga tangoku 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 dhita Kitakina tonga takutam tonga tangoku 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 dhita गणपति जय जय तिरुमरुगने विघ्न विनायक विनय केड अरुळिय गणपति जय जय तिरुमरुगने विघ्न विनायक विनय केड अरुळिय गणपति जय जय दीकिट उदर गणं किन्नं दीकिट उदर गणं जय जय कदी कै तुदी कैयानै मुखतवन तुम किट किट तक दिक्कु तुम देवर्गळ गणपति नम किट किट